Whether you're deep in the wilderness, facing an emergency, or prepping for the unexpected, you need tools that are rugged, reliable, and built for anything. From high-tech water purifiers to tactical multi-tools and game-changing fire starters, these gadgets are designed to keep you alive and ahead of the elements. Get ready to upgrade your survival game with the most innovative must-have gear on the planet. When you need a reliable blade that can take a beating, the SOG PILAR steps up as a compact yet powerful survival tool. This razor-sharp stainless steel blade delivers outstanding cutting power for everything from slicing rope to crafting makeshift tools in the wild. The robust frame lock ensures stability under pressure, while the G10 ergonomic handle provides a secure grip in wet or high-stress situations. Whether you're opening tough packaging, preparing firewood, or just need a solid everyday carry knife, the SOG PILAR is built to handle whatever survival throws at you. A single tool that can chop, saw, hammer, and pull tent stakes? That's exactly what you get with the ZIPPO, WOODSMAN, and EFS. This multifunctional survival beast combines a 15-inch saw for slicing through thick branches, an axe blade for chopping firewood, a mallet for securing tent stakes, and a stake puller for breaking camp effortlessly. Its rugged construction and ZIPPO's signature durability make it an essential tool for campers, bushcrafters, and survivalists alike. Whether you're setting up camp or clearing obstacles in an emergency, this all-in-one tool is the ultimate outdoor problem solver. Survival isn't just about the tools you carry. It's about staying alive in the worst-case scenarios. The RHINO RESQUE IFAK QF is a tactical-grade first aid kit designed to provide immediate medical response in life-threatening situations. Loaded with hemostatic dressings, compression bandages, tourniquets, and trauma shears, this kit is built for fast and effective wound management. Its quick-access design allows you to respond to injuries within seconds, making it a must-have for adventurers, military personnel, and emergency preppers. When every second counts, this first aid kit can mean the difference between life and death. When you're deep in the wilderness, finding clean drinking water is non-negotiable. And that's where the LIFESAVER WAYFARER shines. This advanced, portable water purifier can eliminate 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, ensuring you can drink safely from lakes, rivers, and streams. The ultra-compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for emergency kits, survivalists, and off-grid explorers. Unlike traditional filters, the WAYFARER operates without chemicals, batteries, or complicated setups, making it one of the most efficient and reliable water purifiers on the market. Stay hydrated, stay prepared. In a world where survival demands precision, the LEVER Edge delivers an ultra-sharp, minimalist EDC blade that's ready for action. This razor-thin, credit card-sized knife is crafted with aerospace-grade materials, ensuring an unparalleled balance of durability and portability. With its integrated locking mechanism and ergonomic design, it provides surgical-level cutting power for survival tasks like slicing paracord, opening cans, or making emergency repairs. Whether you're an EDC enthusiast or a hardcore survivalist, this pocket-sized powerhouse is always ready for the unexpected. Who needs a tent when you can have a weatherproof, elevated survival shelter? The SUNYEAR hammock camping set comes with a heavy-duty rainfly tarp, ensuring complete protection from rain, wind, and unexpected weather shifts. The durable yet lightweight parachute fabric can support up to 500 lbs, making it one of the most reliable and comfortable survival hammocks available. Whether you're looking to stay off the cold ground or create a compact shelter in extreme conditions, this all-in-one setup is a game-changer for outdoor survival. When it comes to multi-tools, nothing beats a LEATHERMAN, and the Batch 001 is a masterpiece of tactical engineering. Designed with state-of-the-art materials and precision craftsmanship, this tool combines a knife, pliers, screwdrivers, and more into a highly versatile, ultra-rugged survival essential. Whether you need to tighten a screw, cut through rope, or handle an emergency repair in the field, the Batch 001 is built for uncompromising durability and performance. If you want one tool that does it all, this is the elite survival-grade multi-tool you've been waiting for. Darkness is no match for the OLIGHT ARFELD, a tactical flashlight designed for extreme survival scenarios. With its high lumen output, adjustable beam, and magnetic charging system, this light is built to handle anything nature throws at you. Its military-grade aluminum body ensures it can survive drops, water exposure, and rough handling, making it a must-have for survivalists, first responders, and adventurers. When the night falls, you'll want this reliable powerhouse in your hands. If you need a no-nonsense survival knife, the ZT-0006 delivers unstoppable cutting power. Built from premium CPM 3V steel, this full-tang fixed blade is made for high-impact tasks like batoning firewood, slicing through tough materials, or self-defense. Its ergonomic handle provides maximum control, while the military-inspired design ensures long-term reliability in the harshest conditions. When survival is on the line, the ZT-006 is the blade you want by your side. Every survivalist needs a pack that's lightweight, durable, and built for extreme conditions, and the PROMETHEUS Shadow Pack delivers exactly that. Made with military-grade materials, this pack features strategic compartments, a sleek tactical design, and rugged durability, ensuring your gear stays protected in any scenario. Whether you're bugging out, hiking through unpredictable terrain, or packing emergency supplies, this is the ultimate survival backpack for those who demand the best. A survival situation isn't complete without a reliable way to start a fire, and the ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll is one of the most efficient fire-starting solutions you can carry. This weatherproof, windproof, and waterproof fire starter ignites instantly with just a spark, ensuring you have a heat source even in the harshest conditions. Whether you need to cook, stay warm, or signal for help, this fire-starting strip is your fail-safe against nature's toughest challenges. When survival demands versatility and power, the Sahara Sailor Survival Axe and Folding Shovel delivers a full-on tactical toolkit in one ultra-compact package. This beast isn't just a shovel. It's a multi-tool powerhouse that combines a sharp hatchet, serrated saw, fire starter, and even a tactical knife all in one rugged, foldable design. Whether you're chopping firewood, digging trenches, hammering stakes, or defending yourself, this military-grade survival tool is ready to handle it all. Made from high-carbon steel with an anti-slip handle, it's built for extreme durability and solid grip in any condition. If you're looking for a battle-ready tool that can do it all, this survival axe and shovel combo is an absolute game-changer for any adventure. When you're out in the wild, having a reliable heat source can make or break your survival experience. And the JFHH portable camping stove ensures you never go without a hot meal or a warm drink. This high-efficiency stove is designed for quick ignition and powerful heat output, making it perfect for boiling water, cooking meals, or even emergency warmth in extreme conditions. Built from durable stainless steel, it's resistant to rust, high temperatures, and harsh weather, ensuring long-term reliability. The foldable, ultra-lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to pack, while its fuel-efficient system works with twigs, wood, or solid fuel tablets, so you'll never run out of options in the wild. Whether you're on a backpacking adventure, bug-out mission, or off-grid survival trip, this stove is your ultimate fire-starting companion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest survival gear and gadget reviews. Stay prepared, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in